Ingredients are potato 4 of them cubed, carrots 4 cubed, 2 tablespoons of salt, 2 tablespoons of black pepper, cloves sliced, 4 green chilies, 1 large piece of ginger sliced, 2 large onions thinly sliced, some curry leaves, 6 cardamom and 10 cloves, 3 tablespoons of olive oil and 1 can of coconut milk and 2 kilograms of mutton. Now let us see the steps. Put a medium-sized pan on the stove and add 3 tablespoons of olive oil. When the oil is hot, put the mustard 1 teaspoon and add the curry leaves. Next add the crushed garlic and crushed ginger. Saute it well. Next add the crushed cardamom and the cloves. Next add the green chili and saute it well. Next add the sliced onions and saute it until it turns golden brown. Now add 1 tablespoon of salt. Now add 2 tablespoons of the black pepper. Mix it well. Now add the cubed potatoes and the cubed carrots. Saute it for 3 minutes. Now add 2 kilograms of mutton and mix it well with the ingredients. Mix half can of the coconut milk with 1 cup of water and add to the mutton. Cook it for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, check if the mutton is fully cooked. Now add the remaining coconut milk and garnish with the curry leaves and enjoy with some palapam or chapati. Thank you for watching my video, and if you like my video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you.